What's the meaning of compelling? Compelling. Compelling.
Compelling. Compelling. Compelling means something that is so convincing or powerful that it cannot be avoided or ignored. When something is compelling, it draws you in and captures your attention. It can be a persuasive argument, a gripping story, or an enticing offer. Its effect on you is so strong that you feel compelled to respond, act, or engage with it. A compelling message or experience can have a lasting impact on your thoughts, emotions, or behaviors. Overall, compelling describes something that has an irresistible and memorable influence on us.